Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. If I didn't subscribe, most definitely welcome. So Khanyi Mbau just mentioned that she has gone back to a man Kudzai. This breakup didn't even last a month. It was only for 18 days. She made a post saying he called, demanded I address the bad things he did. He asked to attend the funeral that made me mourn. I cried. He listened. Now I'm in the car, he said, headed home. Don't ask, he didn't entertain my rubbish. We are adults. Listen, don't judge. Besides, where would I go with a thigh laminated in bold with his name? I like the fact that this time around Kudzai behaved like a man. He didn't say anything. He didn't come on the internet crying like he did last time. He continued with his work. Some were saying that he's trying by all means to attract Kanye back to him when he was writing about deals that he was signing. And also he mentioned something like coming to South Africa and doing something big. He was working on a project in South Africa. People were like, Kanye needs that sort of thing because she likes money. And here we are, days after they are back together. And she said she's going to pack and unpack till they get it right. And a lot of people are laughing that we knew it. This was not going to last. The breakup was not going to last. You did things, you wrote things without actually thinking. You just rushed to the internet. Next time, stop doing that. But Kanye said, I'm going to involve everybody because with this relationship, I was the one that introduced you guys on the internet. So each and every stage of our relationship, we are going to come out and let you know, guys, whatever we decide on. The only thing that is left now, they should sign papers. They should just get married and seal the deal. Otherwise, they will continue breaking up and doing all this funny stuff. Kudzai also replied to Kanye saying, you are loved just the way you are, baby. Now get home. We've got a lot of work to do. And Vusinova also said, Une drama Kanye Sile loved it. And others are saying, welcome back. We so missed this relationship and all the best. And then she said, just got my passport stamped, which means that girl is already in Dubai or she's on her way there somewhere. I don't know where she is.